Welcome to Marine Tech Hub. Today I'll explain about deck seal pump with respect to mechanical seal. Deck seal pump is used on tanker vessels where in this you can see this is the deck seal pump, and you can see an arrangement made here for the cooling. This mechanical seal is here. There is a cooling water line coming, seawater line coming from the pump for this. Whenever ship sailing in river where we have muddy water, especially in Chittagong, China, or in other places, what happens is this muddy water which is coming, which will spoil the mechanical seal and water starts leaking. If that is the case, then we have to stop the pump, change the mechanical seal, cost of the mechanical seal, then manpower, everything is involved. So mostly when muddy water is coming, this pump may run maybe a few hours, maybe the mechanical seal will get damaged. To avoid such situations, I have fabricated a line. You can see here, there are 3 valves, one here, one here, one here. Suppose the water is clean, then you can keep this valve open so that when the pump is running, the water will come here and this valve is open, so water is coming here for cooling. Suppose you have a muddy water situation, then you can close this valve and connect the hydrophore line here and open this valve. When the pump is running, this pressure is around 1.2 to 1.3 bar. So if this pump where we are using the seawater here, similar arrangement has been made for the scrubber pump and seawater pumps. I have made similar arrangements. So you can make this arrangement permanent arrangement like this, so to avoid damage to mechanical seal. I will just run the video for you. You can see here I started the pump. You can see the pressure. This is the section pressure, this is the discharge pressure. You can see here pump is running. You can see the pressure around 3.8 bar, and here you can see 1.3 bar. So this is normally when the pump is running. So if the pump is not running, then the pressure, you can see the pressure will not be the same when the pump is not running. So that's why I put a pressure gauge here, so that when you are connecting the hydrophore line, so you open the hydrophore line enough to maintain a pressure of 1.3 bar. So you will not give more water here. So connect the hydrophore line here, open this valve, keep this valve closed, open here. So we may be running this pump for the cargo discharge, so maybe consuming around 1 ton maybe for the full discharge. So this is very important. If you can fabricate like this on board the ship, and so that you are 100% sure the mechanical seal will not leak and you can run a safe ship without any much problem. If you like the video, please subscribe, and if you have any doubt, please let me know. Thank you very much.